Hey there, coloring fans. Grab your favorite markers and let's get ready to dive into a world of creativity with Rita Berman. Rita Berman has 3 new coloring books coming out within just a few weeks of each other, and I'm so excited about these. Hidden Earth, Hidden Seasons, and Hidden Oceans. Hidden Earth and Hidden Oceans are coming out in June, and Hidden Seasons will be coming out in August. In 2014, she launched Happy Town, a puzzle project featuring her playful illustrations. So if you're interested in getting one of her illustrated puzzles, you can go to her website, streetform.com. In 2016, she ventured into adult coloring books. Hidden Earth comes out in June, and it has over 50 amazing illustrations with beautiful detailed scenes of animals, plants, and there are 2-page spreads where you can experience nature in a larger coloring format, and you can get lost in these coloring pages for hours. The book has high-quality, bleed-resistant paper that's perfect for several coloring tools, and it ensures your artwork will look amazing no matter what. There's such rich detail on these pages, and they are absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to start coloring these myself. Rita's Hidden Oceans coloring book also comes out in June with over 50 elaborate coloring pages. Such beautiful detail of underwater scenes. You can find your favorite sea creatures here, such as fish, squid, octopus, turtles, and they're simply stunning. This book will definitely take you on a tranquil escape into an underwater world full of rich detail. And with that high quality bleed resistant paper, you can be assured that your pencils and your gel pens will feel like magic. Hidden Seasons is coming out in August, and I was not able to find any sample pages for this book yet. But the cover alone is enough to make me want to add this book to my collection, because if every season is in this book, then you cannot beat it, because I love coloring, but I don't want to have to buy just one book for one particular season. So if all 4 are in this book, then this book is definitely going to go on my shelf in my coloring book collection. And make sure you add these new releases to your coloring book collection: Hidden Earth and Hidden Oceans in June, Hidden Seasons in August. And you might even want to add a puzzle or 2 to your collection from her website, streetform.com. I'm so thrilled to share the artist spotlight for Rita Berman today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing her books, and if you don't have one of hers in your collection, you are truly missing out.